Do you own a Toyota Land Cruiser 200 series or 70 series V8? Or does your diesel have a fuel filter needs changing warning light on it? Have a listen to this 101 tip from Berrima Diesel on looking after your diesel. So we're sitting in the driver's seat of this Land Cruiser 200, and if I zoom in, fuel filter maintenance required. Now that really just simply says, please change the fuel filter. It's got a suction restriction indicator on the fuel filter, and when it becomes restrictive, that light comes on. If we read the owner's manual, it virtually says no need for changing, just wait for the light to come on. I'd say that you and me and anybody with half a brain out there would know regular maintenance pays off and is key. Otherwise, no need to change the engine oil until the engine blows up. I guess it's a similar philosophy. Well, nobody does that. We all change the engine oil. So when you're doing an oil and filter change your fuel filter for preventative maintenance. Care for your diesel fuel system. It won't give us any work, but long term we'll have lots of diesel customers really happy because their diesels last a really long time. Yep, we're 3 generations in this business, so we know all about customers coming back many years later, happy with the advice they got from us years and years ago. See more of these videos about looking after your diesel here at Berrima Diesel Service. Look us up at Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, or at berrimadiesel.com, where you can find out more about looking after your diesel.